In this presentation, we will discuss about formal definition of data structure, and we will also discuss some of the advantages of it. So let's get started. What is data structure? From the previous lecture, we get this information. Abstract data type can be implemented using arrays or linked list. We can use arrays and linked list to implement stack abstract data type or stack additive. So here arrays and linked list, these are my data structures. What is data structure? A data structure is the formal definition of data structure, that a data structure is the organization of the data in a way so that it can be used efficiently. Now when I say efficiently, it means in terms of time and as well as space. In other words, it is used to implement an additive. Now what information we can get from this line? Data structure is used to implement an additive. Yes, the data structure is used to implement an additive. For example, in order to implement a stack additive, we can use an array data structure or linked list data structure. Data structures. So as I have written here, additive tells us what is to be done and data structure tell us how to do it. So data structure care about how, not what. Additive just gives us the blueprint. You know what? The blueprint, what is to be done. And while data structure gives us the implementation. So how to know which data structure to use for a particular additive? This question comes from our mind when we are talking about additive. To know how to know which data structure to use for a particular additive. So let's tackle this question. Which data structure? In reality, different implementations of additive are compared for time and space efficiency. So here efficiency, additives are compared for time and space efficiency. The one best suited according to the current requirement of the user will be selected. For example, we have array is a data structure, and the other one linked list is a data structure too. So stack additive, we are taking stack additive as a client program, or we can say that like a user. So we will select one according to requirement of user. Like maybe user wants to save space, maybe user wants to run program faster, then we will use the data structure which will run faster. If we are talking about arrays saves times, saves space, and linked list runs faster than arrays. So what user will choose? If he wants to save space, then he will choose array and data structure, and this can be implemented using stack additive and linked list for faster the program. So advantages of data structures are efficiency. Efficiency. Proper choice of data structure make program efficient in terms of space and time. Yes, in terms of space and time, our data structure program proper choice is mandatory here for efficiency. And the reusability, one implementation can be used by multiple client programs. This depends upon the user. Like reusability also provided by data structure. We can implement it in our multiple client programs. And then abstraction, data structure is specified by an additive which provides a level of abstraction. The client program doesn't have to worry about the implementation details. client program means user don't have to worry about what is going on in our implementation or in beyond the data structure. Thank you for watching. We will meet on our next video.